Hello guys, welcome back to yet an app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to set up a Shopify store on mobile. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Well, setting up a Shopify store in your mobile is pretty easy, but with limitations. So to get us started, first thing you need to do here is you need to download and install the Shopify mobile application. So you can go ahead and install that via Google Play Store here. Just go ahead and search for Shopify here and you should see the application and install it in your mobile device. Now once you've installed it, go ahead and click on the application itself, and from here you want to go ahead and click on login or get started. So if you haven't created your account yet, go ahead and click on get started and choose whatever means to create your account. Now, in this case, there are a few questions that you need to fill out. Like, for example, if you're getting started, you need to choose your email address or your Google account that you want to use. But for now, since I already have my account, I want to click on log in. And from here, I want to choose my account. So let's go and choose Google here and choose my Google account that we want to use. Now from here, it's going to redirect me to the main store or main page of my account. But since I haven't created any store yet on my account, it's going to say create new store or learn more. So go ahead and click on create new store here. And from here, it's going to ask you a few things about your store. So first thing is let's get started, which these best describes you. So currently, if you're just starting, go ahead and click on I'm just starting. From here, click on next. So here it's going to ask you where would you like to sell. So in this case, we want to choose an online store here. Click on next. From here, what do you plan to sell first? So products I buy or make myself. So let's go ahead and choose that and just hit on next. And from here, where's your business located? Now we want to change this one so that we'll be able to access a few settings, but make sure that you choose the correct country that you want to choose. For example, if your business is located in Australia or in the US, make sure that you choose that. Let's go ahead and click on next here. And from here, it's going to start creating our store. Now, I do have to repeat this. There are going to be limitations on what we could do in the mobile application. So if you really want to fully customize your store and access advanced settings, then I would suggest you to use a PC and accessing your account. But for you to get started, having a phone is going to be the best thing. But again, accessing advanced settings, you need to use your PC. Now from here, we are in the main homepage of our store. So it's going to give us a setup guide here. So we have the option to add your first product, name your store, customize your online store, share your products, and remove your store password. Now in this case, we have 4 tabs here at the very bottom. So this is going to be the homepage. This is going to be the manage order section. So we also have the products page here, and we also have the 3-bar icon here wherein we'll be able to view customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and settings. So we also have the sales channels here, which is online store and point of sale. Now if you click on online store here, you should be able to see the settings here for your online store. Like for example, you could go ahead and change the spotlight preferences if you want. So protect your store with a password. You could go ahead and enable that as well. But if you want to disable this one, you need to pick a plan for it. So in this case, if you want to view your store, you could go ahead and click on the eye icon at the top right. Now in this case, let's go back in here. So if you want to change your settings here, just click on settings itself, and you could change the following settings here. Like for example, the store notification, account notification, security, camera, store details. So if you want to change some details about your store, you could go ahead and do that. We also have the plan setting here. So if you want to buy a plan for your store, you could go ahead and do that. We also have the billing, user permissions, payments. So if you want to edit the payments for your store itself, so the payment itself is fairly easy to set up. So it's pretty straightforward. So you also have the Shopify payments option here if you want to enable that. We also have the additional payments methods option. So you could use add PayPal here if you want. So you could also have the option to add manual payment methods as well. So let's just go back here. So we also have the option for apps and sales channels, wherein apps are really helpful if you're going to install that. So there are different applications and different uses for them. So you might want to read further on the application itself before installing it. But yeah, so if you want to add a product, go ahead and click on the product section here. Click on add your products. And from here, you could go ahead and add the product title itself. From here, you also have the option to upload videos, images, and 3D models if you want that. The pricing itself, the availability of the product itself, the shipping, category, vendors, and tags as well. Now from here, you could go ahead and just edit all those available settings here. But again, if you're wondering, where's the option for us to edit the site itself? Well, I would suggest you to use your PC for this one, because there's going to be a lot of things that you could do, or you need to edit or change, or you need to have to fit in one section for you to properly edit your web page. So yeah, so if you're just getting started and you just want to quickly view your products and your orders here, well, the application itself is the good option. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.